Now, India has recorded the world's largest single-day COVID-19 spike of nearly 98,000 cases, taking the tally to over 5.1 million. The United States has reported 1,147 deaths in a day, bringing the toll to more than 196,000. The global death toll of the COVID-19 pandemic has topped 939,000, while the number of infections is nearing 30 million. More details in this report.
As the world desperately pushes for an early release of a COVID-19 vaccine, the virus continues to rip through populations in India, parts of Latin America and the US, with over 1,000 dying in each country every day. Head of US Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, Robert Redfield, says a safe vaccine was unlikely before mid of next year. But US President Donald Trump contradicted him, saying a vaccine can be announced as soon as October.
Manufactured all of the necessary supplies so that as soon as the FDA approves the vaccine, and as you know, we're very close to that, we'll be able to distribute at least 100 million vaccine doses by the end of 2020, and a large number much sooner than that.
Africa's hotspot, South Africa's new estimate has found that instead of 600,000, about 12 million people in the country are probably infected. Ukraine and Indonesia are also reporting rising number of infections in their countries. World Health Organization says the disease is making an alarming comeback.
What is really worrying, I think, for us is that we're not only seeing an increase in the case numbers, but we're seeing an increase in the hospitalizations. We're seeing increases in ICU. And this is a number of countries that we're seeing this in across the Northern Hemisphere, particularly in certain parts of Europe, in Spain and in France, in the eastern part of Europe, in Georgia, Montenegro, Ukraine, in some states in the United States.
Mainland China has reported 9 new COVID-19 infections, down from 12 recorded yesterday. Meanwhile, South Korea has reported an uptick in daily infections due to sporadic clusters outbreak and untraceable cases, as 153 tested positive overnight.